not really making videos like I used to, but man, we back, man. Guess what I got right here in the back? Sheesh. Look at them wheels, man. I know y'all really ain't even seen it with these wheels. Y'all seen it with the wheels, but y'all ain't seen it with this color on it. That color look crazy, man. I'm up here taking some pictures and stuff, mostly for my Instagram. If you haven't followed me, Wavy Tay Q60. That's my car page. Wavy Tay 24. That's my personal page, man. Go check it out. But yeah, man, I'm just showing y'all today, man, what I got going on. And honest to God, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show y'all me actually putting these wheels on and stuff, man, because a lot of people don't know how to do that, especially people my age and shit in my generation and stuff. So man, we're gonna at least show y'all a little something. Most of the time I do all the work myself on my car, man. A lot of people don't, but you know, you learn, you live and you learn. I done messed up, why not? You know what I'm saying? You're gonna save a lot of money in the long run doing so you might as well keep on doing it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Luxus car mats, man. Use Wavy Tay. Nice luxury car mats, man, and I'm telling you, they got them for just about anything. I've seen Teslas, Infinity, Chargers, you know what I'm saying? Just about everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video, man. Thank y'all for the support, and I'll see y'all in the next. Don't expect me to get rid of this one no time soon. I don't know how many horses I'm gonna have on this thing, man. No is, man, it ain't even all about who am I joking. It is about being the fastest. So I'm coming for y'all niggas next, man. Because honestly, I want it to be the fastest, but I also want it to be the best looking too. I mean, it's like I do shit different. That's just how I grew up. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? I see a lot of people talking about one of one. Bro, that's real, bro. Like, not everybody want to be the same as everybody. Not everybody trying to be, you know what I'm saying, like a copycat. A lot of people really genuinely want to be themselves, bro. And I respect that. I respect that way more than somebody that don't want to be who they really are. You know what I'm saying? That's my whole purpose, I feel like, too. It's just, you know what I'm saying, like, let people know that it's okay for you to be yourself, you feel me? Like, nigga, do you. Don't be ashamed of who you are, what you got going on. And you know what I'm saying? That's another thing, man. Applaud yourself after every achievement, bro. A lot of people want to hold back, man. They don't want to tell themselves good job for doing this or doing that, even if it's something that's small. You know what I'm saying? The small is getting your degree, man. That's not even a small thing, you know. That's big, man. You got any degree, bro. Your high school degree, your college degree, associates, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, be proud of yourself. Believe in yourself. I try to tell a lot of people that. You know what I'm saying? I don't even try to tell them, man. I try to show it, man. I try to show them that, man, bro, I done came from the bottom. Bro, I'm talking about, man, we was in the hood, bro. Like, family ain't really have much. We had enough, you know what I'm saying? Small community and shit. This is a whole different world that I live in now. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, like, you imagine a lot of these things growing up. Like, I told myself I wanted not a Q60, my fault, a G35 coupe. You know what I'm saying? Like the original G35 coupe. And this was in high school, bro. And I look at me now, like I imagined getting that, and then I ended up getting a G37 coupe. You know what I'm saying? I got one up. And then now I got the Q60 Red Sport, bro. That's one up, bro. That's what I'm saying, man. Y'all just gotta believe in yourself. Encourage yourself, because ain't nobody really gonna encourage you. I mean, even if they do, you know what I'm saying, like, still, you gotta believe in yourself. And then also, I show my support to my fellow people, you know what I'm saying? I show my support to the people around me. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little side note. Man, I appreciate everybody for watching everything. Stay tuned, man, because we got bigger, better, and more things on the way. I'm telling you. Love life, man. I'm out. Because right now, I'm about to get to work. Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all sitting at home watching this. I'm about to be working. You know what I'm saying? Get up and grind, yo. Let's get it, man. Summertime coming around the corner. I'm back out. Also, I did get some new tires. I don't know if y'all can tell. They not new, but you know what I'm saying? They new to me, but pretty good tread on them things. So they should last me for a good little while. But yeah, I got them on the two fronts. Yeah, right here, the two rears. They already good, you know what I'm saying? So I had bought them new. They still got plenty of tread on them, so I can keep them around for a little bit longer. Same front tire size. It was 245, 35, 20s here. I wanted to go a little bit wider, but I mean it is what it is. I'm gonna just let it rock. But I still got the 275, 30, 20s on the back. Don't know if I'm gonna go wider in the back if I get new tires, but y'all just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? We up. Just like that. We got them. Well, at least the front two finished. Just did the clear coat on them. Bro, this is my first time doing wheels. You know what I'm saying? Painting wheels and stuff. I painted other stuff, but never wheels. And I did mess up a couple times, but it's all good. It ain't gonna be too noticeable. Hopefully. I messed up right there. I messed up on that one, but like I said, overall, feeling the color, definitely feeling the color, and it's gonna look crazy on the car color too. You know what I'm saying? Set a clear lacquer for the clear coat, duper color for high performance wheel coating. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Advanced Auto O'Reilly Special. You feel me? It is what it is, bro. I did have to do some sanding and stuff. Like I said, I messed up a couple times. Finally got the back ones finished too. I'm about to peel off this tape right here. You know what I'm saying? I've already clear coated them and everything. And then I'm about to take a little lady out here for a walk. Get your ass here. Hey. Get off my wheels, nigga. Come on. Hell no. Come on. Let's go. Take a little lady for a walk right here. She's so damn hard here. So I finally got at least one side done. Only problem I got is I gotta get all this paint and shit off these wheels, man. But I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some brake cleaner, and that should come off pretty easy. And then I'm gonna clean it up. Still gotta finish the other side. Got one on. Gotta get the last one on. But guys, this is the color. Man, I hope y'all like it on the car. It's a little different. Definitely stands out. Guys, key tip: make sure that your rotation is always correct. Make sure that your arrow is always pointing forward. Last wheel on. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just bear with me for a second. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get this thing up. I had to put this rock right here because, as you can see, I'm kind of on an incline, so I didn't want the jack to start sliding or anything. And then I got rocks, you know what I'm saying, big rocks in the front tire, and I got one over there on the side tire, just to make sure that the car don't roll back while I'm on this incline too. Put my foot right here, and just jack that thing up. Oh, also I did break the lugs before jacking it up. You know what I'm saying? It's routine. You should know that.
Sean thinks Sweets.